He's the cleanest player in the draft, which means he doesn't have any holes in him. He's got character. He's got production at the highest level.
That's another reason he was picked number 5 overall. One of the outstanding punt return men in college football.
If you need a play, Patrick Peterson can make it for you.
Patrick Peterson goes all the way. Welcome to the NFL, young man.
4 punt returns for touchdowns. He has a knack for taking it to the house.
He's deep. He's had 1 return for a touchdown this season, 89 yards, the opening game of the season. Peterson takes off and breaks 1 tackle and another. Outstanding return by Peterson. He's still going.
Sam, when I saw this young man at the combine and watched his workout, then looked at the tape, I had him number 1 on my draft board.
The rookie first-round draft pick, Patrick Peterson, his 2nd punt return for a touchdown.
First team to score wins the game. 4th quarter timing. Each team has 2 team timeouts.
Rams win the toss. They will receive. In regular season play, first team to score wins.
Good high kick. Peterson looks around. Back middle.
Patrick Peterson's been there. Done that. He's not scared.
Turns it upfield. Patrick Peterson.
6'2", 210, has the ability to be a two-way threat as a corner and also as a kick return.
Patrick Peterson wins it for the Cardinals. The incredible rookie, Patrick Peterson, with his 3rd punt return for a touchdown this season. That one, 99 yards.
Patrick Peterson has 3 punt returns for touchdowns this season. 1 against the Rams, a game winner.
Cuts it back, turns it upfield, and Peterson is going again. It's number 4 of the season for Patrick Peterson.
He has been remarkable as a punt returner, but now his game is evolving as he develops into a top-flight corner in the National Football League.
Patrick Peterson.
Hard hit by Patrick Peterson. And starting with 2 tight ends, both lining up to the right side.
This is a bad man now.
But we're just scratching the surface of how effective he's going to be on defense.
Steps away from pressure and throws down to...
Now, this guy has the best hand-eye coordination that I've seen coming out of college since a guy named Deion Sanders.
It's intercepted. What an unbelievable play by Patrick Peterson.
What do you know you're in store for this week?
A great matchup. It's always intriguing to go up against Calvin Johnson.
Calvin Johnson is intercepted. Patrick Peterson has a takeaway.
Patrick Peterson, I mean, every team he play against, he take on that challenge to go out and be a number 1 receiver.
Now, I don't put people with Deion Sanders. He's the best to ever play the position. But he has that instinct and trait. Athletically, maybe the best corner in National Football. Athletically.
Interception number 6, I believe. No, that's his number 7 on the year for Patrick Peterson.
Patrick Peterson. He's back to the 15 and down to the 13. They gambled with a pass, and Peterson picked it off.
The one man you do not want to mess with.
And I've always said, when you're a corner, you're actually playing against 2 people. You're playing against a receiver and a quarterback. It's a tough job. And with the rules and the way the league is opened up, bam!
Puts him at 2nd and long. Much more challenging down.
On 2nd and 9, Davis sidearms it. It's tipped away.